one first. This one first.
Go for it.
Take a video of me.
I am.
You are not.
I promise I am.
You are. You are not. You are taking a picture.
You better pay attention.
What? And wait. And wait. It's not. What's that? What's that? No, what's that? The button.
Uh-oh, you went too fast. Almost.
Which one? The six. And that one. After this one first.
Okay.
You missed that egg. You missed that egg.
Go for it.
Yes, that egg.
Do it.
Yes, that egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch it.
You touch it. Are you even... You gotta pay attention, mister. Are you talking over there? Yeah. Now, whoa, calm down. Take your drink out of your mouth.
That one?
Now what are you doing? You gonna do the nights?
How to do that one?
Why don't you do the
That don't swing.
do the nights? Or are you gonna do that one again?
Or a bike one.
Okay, do the bike.
Or a bus. Or a bike. Or a big math class. Or a wheel.
Whichever you want to do.
Build on my baby. The bigger this. Maybe that one. I mean, number 5. I mean,
You need to beat number 5? Go for it.
that one cat and the hat.
You need Cat in the Hat?
That one's a cat and the hat. Wait. And the hat. Wait. A cat and the hat. Wait.
It's free. How do you know it's free? Are you trying to download something?
Download app and the cat.
No, I'm not going to download that one. That's not mine. That's Nana's iPad. You have to wait until we get home and I'll do it on mine. No. We got plenty of games, so you do what you... No, get out of the app store. Get out of the app store. Get out of there. What's that one? Is that a different one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well let's get out of there. We have to wait until Nana gets here and you can ask her, but you can't download stuff. Are you talking over there? Are you talking? Yeah. Whoa. Wow.